and make money from crypto arbitrage. Yes, if you have been following me, you see that I drop videos day to day how you can make money from crypto arbitrage. Now this very video is going to teach you how you can buy gift card. Yes, you buy gift card and use that gift card to buy Bitcoin on Passthrough. Then you use that Bitcoin and go and sell it on Binance. So let's get into the video real quick. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to go to a site called bundle.com. Yes, you want to go to a site called bundle.com. Yeah, bundle.com, sorry. That's what you want to go to, the site. So you just go to your Chrome browser and type bundle.com. You can see I already have it here, dondu.com. So once you come in, you can decide to create an account with them if you like. If you don't like, you can just buy your gift card. Now what are we going to be buying? You're going to be buying gift card. Yes. And what gift card are we going to be buying? Amazon gift card. So it's very simple. For we in Nigeria, yeah, you have to change this country, your country logo. As you can see mine here, it's saying I'm in Nigeria because right now I'm in Nigeria. So if you are from other part of the country, you can easily click on it and select what country you have, region, select what country you are in. Yes, I believe you are following. If you're from US or whatever country, look for it and pick it. But it is I'm in Nigeria. That is why it's right here in Nigeria. So let's continue with it. Now what you want to do, you want to click on this three lines you have here, and you want to click on gift card. You want to click on gift card. You want to click on Amazon. Yes, that is what you want to buy. You want to buy gift card, Amazon gift card, so that we can be able to sell. Now the next thing you have to do is we here in Nigeria, we are going to be buying USD Amazon gift card. That is what we are going to be buying. Now if you look at my screen, you can see the money here is in the country you have here is Germany. If you can see by my screen here, the country you have here is Germany, and you don't want that. You want to click on this search button and type in the US, the United States. That is what you want to do because you want to buy USD Amazon gift card. So now, we are going to scroll down to the amount you want to buy. You have at least from $5, $10 worth, $20 worth, $50, $25. So we are going to be using $100 worth of gift card. You can see how much you are buying this dollar worth of gift card. You are buying it for 46,000 naira, and you can see this is a very very huge opportunity for we here Nigerians that are into crypto arbitrage. You're going to sell this way much on Binance. So let's now we buy this for $46,000. Now the next thing you want to do after purchasing this gift card, yes, because when you click on buy now, okay, let me just show you. When you click on buy now, it's going to take you into the process whereby you are going to be paying. Now the total amount you are going to be paying is 47,000 naira 887 naira 15 kobo. That's the total amount you are going to be paying, and they are going to send this gift card to your email that you are going to provide. You get that is where they're going to send the gift card to you. Is a code. They're going to send it to your email that you're going to provide for them after this checkout button. So now that you have gotten your Amazon gift card, now what are you going to do? You want to go to Passthrough. Yes, I believe you already know what Passthrough is. You want to go to Passthrough. If you don't have an account, create an account with them and make sure you verify it so that you can be allowed to do whatever you want to do. Now this is what you want to do. You want to use your gift card to purchase Bitcoin. Yes, you want to use that Amazon gift card you got from Dondu to purchase BTC. Yes. Now how are we going to do that? You just want to click on buy. You can see I clicked on buy already. So once you click on buy, what do you want to select? You want to select your payment method. Okay, you want to select your payment method. Don't forget you are buying BTC. So in case maybe you click on buy and BTC doesn't pop up, you click on this double down arrow and select the coin that you want to buy, and you are buying BTC. Okay, so you click on BTC. Now what payment method are you going to use? You quickly search for it. You click on it and you search for the payment method you want to use, and right here we are using Amazon gift card. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Amazon gift card because that's what we are going to be using. Now the next thing is you want to change this country here, this currency you have here, to just United States dollar. That is what you want to change the currency to. So I'm going to click on it and change it to United States dollar. Okay, the US dollar. So once I change it to US dollar, I can easily input the amount I want to buy, $100, because that is the amount of Amazon gift card, the worth of Amazon gift card I have. Hope you are following. So once you've input the stuff, the amount, the next thing you want to do is your offer location. You want to select worldwide. Okay, you want to select worldwide, so you click on it and select worldwide. Then you click on find offer. As easy as that. Click on find offer. Then a lot of offers are going to come up. You can see. Now you scroll down, a lot of offers are going to come up. Now one thing you must know is that some people here are scams. They are going to scam you of your money, so you have to be careful. This is what you want to note. You can see the people that has green dots. You can see those people that has green dots. It signifies that they are online. You can see them. They have green dots. Now another thing you want to make sure of is that they have a lot of likes. You can see this one, the first one, he has 687 likes. That is, he's doing well. That is why you can see the likes there. The other one has 324. So what you want to do is you want to look for the people that are performing well, that has gotten a lot of like. That's to tell you that they are legit and they are fast. Okay, so that is what you want to look for. If you are buying gift card worth of $100, you want to make sure that the person you are also looking for has the minimum save of $100. If it is $50 US dollar Amazon gift card you are using, you scroll for the person to a place where you can see the minimum purchase of $50 or between $10 to $100. Are you getting what I'm saying? So it's very simple. So I'm just going to click on the first one here. I'm going to click on buy, the first one here. So once I click on it, you want to see how much worth of Bitcoin that you are going to be buying from this guy. Okay, so now okay, this user is blah 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 blah. I'm just, for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to continue. So you can see if I give him 100 USD Amazon gift card, I'm getting 0.00271627 worth of BTC. So let's copy this. Let's go to our Binance. And see how much we are going to be selling this. Okay, it's very easy. You go to your Binance. You go to P2P. I believe you already know this. Once you go to P2P, you go to sell and you go to BTC. Okay, so once you go to BTC, you want to filter. What's this? You want to filter, sorry about that, you want to filter the stuff. So let's put like let me say 40,000 naira. So let me just click on confirm so that it's going to come out. Now this is it. I'm going to click on this first one to sell. We want to see the amount of BTC you are going to be the amount of money you are going to be getting. Don't forget to purchase that Amazon gift card for a total of 47,000 naira, and let's come here and see how much you are going to be selling it. Okay, so now let's see. So I'm just going to input the amount. I copied it. Sorry about that. I'm just going to input the amount here. I'm going to paste it. Now you can see how much you are getting. Remember, we got it for 47, the total payment 47,000 naira, and you can see how much you are getting right here, 57,458 naira. So let's take for an instance that maybe extra charges came up and you lost maybe your 400 naira. So you are going to be left with you are going to be selling this thing for 57,000 naira. That is a rough profit of 10k per this trade you just did. So it is what you can do, and you know make a lot of gain over and over again. When you sell, you can decide to do it depending on how many times you want to do it. So there's really money in this crypto arbitrage. A lot of people are making it big, including myself. I'm making it big. So if you really enjoyed this video and you learned something, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell, because I drop videos on a daily basis. See you in the next video.